Please stand for the pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Hey Wasatch, my name is Asher Price and I'm your Public Relations Officer.
And I'm Josh Becker, one of your 7th grade reps.
We would like to highlight Brecken Spenlove, an 8th grader in Miss Gleason's class. Miss Gleason writes,
Brecken is a kind and respectful student. He helps me every morning by coming in before school to change the date on my board. As everyone knows, I am vertically challenged and it keeps me from having to climb on a chair to do it. Brecken is also willing to help other students who are struggling with math. I can often catch him explaining problems to his table mates when they get stuck on a problem.
Brecken, that was awesome. Tell us a little bit more about that.
I really just like helping people. It makes me feel good.
Okay, and now over to Weather Wednesday.
Hi, my name is Nick. I'm the weatherman for Weather Wednesday. Today, there will be no weather.
And now for an important announcement from our principal, Mr. Anderson.
Good morning, students. Today's an exciting day as we have the opportunity to have an assembly for the talent show. And so I'm making a decision here that I'm trying to decide how to phrase it, but what we want is we want everybody to attend the assembly because we know it wasn't the best acoustics and best visually streaming it on YouTube. And we'd like to teach you remind you what assembly behavior is and how we act in the auditorium. So I'm going to make the decision to invite all classes to attend the assembly, the talent assembly today. The one request that I have is that we wear masks just for that hour that we're in there. I understand that some people are kind of like, I don't have to, whatever. It's just one of those things where it'd just be better and safer, respectful if we did. We want to be able to do these things more in the future, this school year. So if you would please have a mask and bring that with you, and we'll have a seating chart for your teachers to know where to sit. We'll get that sent out so you know exactly what's going on. We're excited to have this opportunity and to see some of these great performers. All right, have a great day, Wasatch.
Okay. If you played on the boys or girls soccer team, please return your uniforms to Coach Alvarado or Coach Badger this week. We doubt you want to pay for it, so please get it returned. You should return the shorts and jersey. Keep the socks. Thank you.
Attention Wasatch! Debate is starting today at 3 o'clock in room 220, Miss Mudra's room. We will have Skyline High debate students coming by to help too. See you there.
And now for our College of the Month video. For an announcement from the world language teachers.
hao.
Bonjour.
Hola.
We want to invite 6th and 7th graders to join us on a virtual tour around the world.
We will be doing fun activities and eating really good food.
Stop will include fall festival in China, Switzerland, and Mexico.
To apply, follow the links on Canvas. You will be writing us a formal letter explaining why you want to attend. The applications are due November 5th at 1 p.m. and the Fall Festival will take place on November 17th during 2nd and 3rd periods.
再见。
A bientôt!
Hasta luego.
Thanks for being here. Have a wondrous Wednesday, Wasatch.